Hi and welcome to Easy Money Fountain. Today we will talk about how to make money online. So subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Streaming for profit: how to monetize your live streams and make money online. Welcome to our show on how to monetize your live streams and make money online. My name is Hostname, and I'm a professional streamer with years of experience in the industry. Streaming has become a popular way for people to connect and share their passions with the world. And with the rise of platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook, it's also become a legitimate way to make money online. But how do you turn your passion for streaming into a profitable career? Today, we're going to discuss some of the best ways to monetize your live streams and make money online. One of the most common ways to monetize your live streams is through sponsorships. Many companies are looking for influencers to promote their products, and streaming is a great way to reach a large audience. Another way to monetize your live streams is through donations or subscriptions. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook have built-in tools that allow viewers to support your streams with financial contributions. You can also monetize your live streams by creating and selling merchandise, such as t-shirts, hats, and other items with your brand on it. Of course, monetizing your live streams requires more than just finding ways to make money. To be successful, you need to build a dedicated audience and create high-quality content. Here are a few tips on how to create a successful live stream. Be consistent. Make sure to stream regularly, so your viewers know when to tune in. Engage with your audience, interact with your viewers and respond to their comments. Invest in equipment. Having a good microphone, camera, and internet connection will make your streams look and sound better. Be authentic, be true to yourself and your passions, and your audience will appreciate it. And there you have it, some tips on how to monetize your live streams and make money online. Remember, the key to success is consistency, engagement, and authenticity. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips and strategies. Thanks for watching Easy Money Fountain and hit the like button.